What the hell's this sound? I'll have to pull over here.
Turn left onto Highland Road.
Check. Trailer's making some weird sound. Well, you guys want to know what the weird sound the trailer is making? I forgot the lock on the wheels, and looks like I might have sheared it. Anyway, what's up guys? I'm at the gas station. I'm gonna put gas. We got some exciting video coming today. Something I have never done. We are going float fishing for steelhead on the south side of Lake Erie. I'm in the middle of Ohio right now. I'm backtracking all the way back to Lake Erie. It's about an hour and change to go meet Brian. He's one of my Instagram followers, messaged me, said, hey man, I'm catching steelheads, come over here. I've never done this, so I'm about to get guided on how to catch steelhead.
Right onto Ohio 8 South.
Okay. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we made it. I've been here for about an hour. I can see some steelhead jumping right now. I'm gonna go put the camera out. I'm gonna go meet Brian and let's get some fish. I don't have much time, but apparently they caught over 100 fish yesterday, so I'm pumped. I've never done this, and let's get at her. All right, I just got here. Brian, the man who messaged me yesterday.
What's up?
Nice to meet you, man. Nice to meet you. So you've been, how long have you been here?
This will be my third day here.
Third day.
Down in Ohio, yeah.
And you caught him pretty good yesterday.
Yeah, it's been pretty steady. I think we'll get him good today.
Sick, sick. You can see some of them jumping over there. All right, well, I'm gonna set the camera. I'm gonna get geared up. It's a bit cold, and then I guess we'll get fishing.
Yeah, we will.
You have friends coming?
Yeah, I got a buddy coming in shortly.
You're missing the Bowman's taco spot today.
yeah, I know.
All right, we'll get at her. All right, so Brian's getting us rigged up. So what are you getting rigged up with?
So right now we're rigging up a slip float. Not necessarily needed, but it allows you to adjust quite easily for
Sweet.
Any depth, really.
Yeah, that's a long rod. How long is that rod?
That rod is 13'6". We are whipping the long sticks though.
So I guess you need the leverage when you want to set the hook and stuff?
Yeah, well you need that line pickup. A lot of times they're slack, and if you don't have the line pickup, you'll miss them on every hook set.
Sweet. So how long have you been coming here?
This will be my 10th year, I believe.
Wow. So you got to really get them dialed in now, eh?
Yeah. I do a lot of traveling for steelhead. It's kind of an addiction. Kind of like bass, I guess, for you.
Yeah. Totally. Well, I'm pumped to try this. Find the depth? I don't need to do anything. Just a bit further, right? Closer, right? Follow the bearing back in.
Set the hook.
Alright, we'll hook you. Want to jump? I see why this is addicting though. Oh, here he is.
Yeah. Nice little mature.
You don't want to come.
Take a longer net. Take this net if you want.
Yeah, we got her.
Are you coming in now?
You got her, man?
Yeah, sweet. So I'm gonna put the. All right, little fish, about 2.5 pounds, maybe 3. We'll release them.
Nice shot.
All right, see you, little buddy. First steelhead. Thanks, my dude. Thank you very much, man. Yeah, thank you.
That didn't take very long.
No, third drift. We're fishing a little roll bag like this, and you pierce the hook through.
Yeah. Just kind of try and bury it in there.
I see it. I see
I
it.
mean, honest to God, these fish are not the brightest fish. It doesn't take a rocket science to get.
What do you think? You know, wide road. Do you think they can smell it? They see it? There's pheromones in it and something?
The color of the water, I mean, it gives off a scent trail, so
Yeah.
it's easier for them to find, and it's, natural.
Yeah, buddy. He came back for it, eh? Try not to go in these guys' line. Little second one here. Came back for it. I think this one's pretty small. Beautiful fish, man.
Here we go.
Goes back in. All right, little change of location here. Had too many people back there. Think I get bit here? There we go. Hooked up. Move.
How you reeling steelhead quick?
Oh, yeah. Choked it.
Perfect.
There he goes back.
I saw you run the one down to the launch.
Oh, me? Oh, it's a good one. My bad. I wasn't paying attention. I think I lost him. No, he's still here. Sorry, man. I was looking over there. Like, you're down, you're down. I thought you were talking to him, and I'm like, oh, he's talking to me. See, that's... my bad, my bad. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one, boys. That's an old one, eh? See, he's like purple. Purple red. Should we go with the launcher? Double header. Phil hooking up. Good move here. Oh shit, I can't reel any further. Yeah, let's bring him over there because we'll take good pictures. This one's going back. That's good fish. For me anyway, boys. Definitely my personal best steely. Is that what you guys call him? Steely? Steelies? Oh, he's not that big.
No, that's your bag.
That's my bag that's on plate. That's a good one, my friend. He's still fighting me. Come on, dude. I want a picture with you. Don't go away. No. They fight hard, eh? You guys just horse them in?
Oh, yeah.
I just don't know if I trust the line. Got braid, right?
Yeah.
My dude, yes. Good job, man. Little guy, yeah. I thought I had bottom though. Yeah? Sweet. Put it back in here. Alright guys, that's it. That's a wrap for Ohio. We're gonna drive down south tonight. Hope you guys do enjoy this video. Thanks to Brian for messaging me, inviting me out here. It was really cool. Caught a bunch of steelhead. Don't forget to drop a like and drop a subscription right here. That'd be awesome for you guys. And we'll see you soon. Let's get this road trip going.